Oh, here we go. Welcome back, everybody. Woo!
Hello,
Good to be
hello.
back. Adelina, how are
Welcome
you?
back, Sam. I'm
Thank you.
great.
Thank you.
Nice
Good.
to see
Good.
you.
Yeah,
All
nice to see you
10.
too. I know. I know. Hopefully it lasts this tan.
No,
But
it's not going to last.
yeah,
But
unfortunately, I don't think it will.
yeah,
But
enjoy it how long you're gonna have it.
exactly. Exactly. Well, I haven't looked at the markets in over 2 weeks. So
So you took
the
a break
first
like
time,
for real, 2 weeks.
proper break. Yeah. I didn't
That's great.
trade, I didn't do anything. So yeah, who knows? Who knows what the market has in store? I haven't even looked at it today, to be honest. And
I did look a little bit
let's
today
get a
because I like to look a little bit before I
sure.
start.
I will
But
get
I did
a
not
screen up.
trade today.
No, neither have I. But we get a screen shared real quick. All right. Back end, you can whip up my screen if you like. No problem.
No problem.
How's everyone in the chat? Let us know. I'm trying to
Is
find
anybody
the
in the
screen.
chat? Say welcome back, Sam.
Exactly. Oh, here we go. Live trading. Here we go. All right. I found the stream. I can see the chat now. Anyone in the chat, let us know. I see a few people are watching. So drop a comment in the chat if you are here. It's been a while. Hopefully we got all of our regulars. Robert.
If you want a
Eric.
hello, tell us a hello.
Exactly. All right, so we've got some charts up. Here we go. Cool. The NQ, let's break this down. What has happened in the last... Well, I'm not going to break down the last 2 weeks because that's kind of pointless, but today at least. Jump on a 15-minute.
Because I'm actually on the Forex side, so I'm looking at the Nasdaq and US 30, but same thing.
Gotcha. Oops, what have I done? Okay, so we opened quite bullish, little dip down, and then we just kind of started pushing up ever since with a few little pullbacks, but nothing major. Where are we in relation to the overall? Okay, so we're not... Oh no, we have had quite a bit of a sell-off in the last few weeks. So there's the all-time high. And we're kind of making our way back up to the all-time highs, as it looks like. But I will draw a volume profile from the high to the low here. See if we're in any special areas. So yes, we do have a few gaps that are actively being filled. So we've got this one right here, which we have already rejected once yesterday. And we had this huge sell from it. And we're kind of breaking through it. So I think that's going to probably not hold. And that might actually break down a point. The next area I'll be looking to short then will be quite far away, all the way up here, around 25,881 will be my next sort of short area. But we also have the point of control not far from this whole move right here. So I'm going to expect a bit of consolidation, something around happening in that point of control area. But in terms of pullbacks, you can always look for a pullback and then a continuation. And nothing too great at the moment. I'm going to have to drop down to a 1 minute soon to find more scalpy kind of trades. But nothing in the long term. The long term is already kind of played out.
You are on 15 minutes?
All right, let's drop back down to 1. Yeah, 15 minute, just to see overall structure and where we are. Now let's drop to the 1 minute, and the 1 minute, we can usually find a nice trade somewhere. All right, so really, it'll be this downward push here that I'll be drawing the volume profile on. See if we got... Okay, nice. We've got a potential little area we could reject from. Right here for a scalp. Which we are in right now. Okay, that's interesting. should be a trade here. Just have to check on the volume. Sorry, on the volume footprint. If we got anything. Volume is still negative. That's interesting. Negative delta on the day.
Okay, so which chart we are watching?
I see one with Tom Rogers. He says, "Well, I'll say if no one else will. You guys are amazing. Adelina, love the outfit. Sam, love the tan, brother. Welcome back. Thank you, Tom. I hope the tan lasts. I really do."
Okay, I also see on Eric on the other. Welcome back, Sam. You were missed, brother.
Okay. Eric, good to hear you. So we have two streams running on two different channels right now, just because we're moving over to a new channel. Oh, 1 second. I see a potential short lining up. All right, I'm jumping in for a quick short. Yep. Okie dokie. Got you. Okay. All right. So there was an error where we went live twice on the same channel. Let me just double check. Backend, can you paste it in the Ninja comments? Because I don't seem to have them here.
Anyway, in the meantime, I have some area that I'm watching.
I'll just update this position. So I am short at 25,452, I believe. Yes, back end. Don't worry, I'll message you in okay. Sorry about that back end. Not back end. Sorry about that, viewers. I have multiple people talking to me in my ears, so I might be a little bit distracted. But I'm gonna let this trade play out. Let's see how it goes. Obviously, we are in a very bullish market. I am fading it. Yeah.
Your trade.
I'll do it until I see something. But at this moment in time, it looks okay. I just see a big cluster of sellers actually bottom here. So I want to see actually follow through and push this market down. If not, it's not looking good for me. We'll let this play out. Come on, Nick. Stop faffing out here. I'm expecting more of a reaction. We've had a little bit of a but nothing major yet. Okay, cool. Do you still trade the Dow, Adelina?
Yes. I mean, right now I'm on a Forex, so if you put my chart, you're gonna see I'm on a Forex account. So you're gonna see US 30.
Gotcha.
But
yeah.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Same.
Got some buyers coming in again. They're buying the dip by the looks of it. Realistically speaking, I must stop at the top here. It's not the best trade in terms of risk reward, but I'll let it play out. See if it'll take me out.
I know it's not so quiet, but
just draw this area here. Okay. So if you're watching, drop a message in the chat. If you go to our channel, make sure you click on the one where we're live. Let me just try something real quick. I've got multiple different things up. I'm just going to sort this out real quick. Cool. Okay, yes. So to all the viewers, wherever you are, I will in a moment paste a link in the chat on both sides. So just bear with me as I do that.
We're not going nowhere. At least I'm not. Here we go, the trade. Oh, no. I think it's going your way, the trade. Yeah. Another rejection to that area that you marked here.
That's it. I'm expecting more of a push down, to be honest. I'll be surprised if we just consolidate a bit and then continue up. This should have a bit of a reaction here. I'm happy to hold it. If I get taken out, I get taken out. It's not the end of the world. But I would also potentially like to buy where my take profit is. That'll be a nice area to potentially buy in. So
you do that, so you take the profit and also change the...
Potentially. If it shows rejection or something in that area, then I will be potentially jumping in for a buy as well. But that would be an area I'd have my eye on to buy. So hopefully it gets to my TV, shows some kind of rejection, and then I can flip it up for a buy, and then 2 nice trades. So I'm happy with that. I'll be very happy.
Happy Sam.
My first trade in weeks. All right, here we go. Now we're starting to break below there. This is what I want to see. I want to see some continuation, some follow through, bit of power, a bit of oomph come in. I want to see some sell contracts pile in. Starting to look a bit better. So to the viewers, obviously we have two channels now. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Come on. Beautiful. Oh, no. Basically touch my TP. Just didn't execute. Here we go. Come on. A bit more. One more tick. There we go. All right. Cool.
Good. Beautiful trade.
Almost one tick me.
Beautiful.
Now I'll be potentially looking to buy if I see buyers come in this area to start defending it, or if I see sellers trapped or something of that nature, I'll potentially want to look to jump in for a buy. I'm just keeping my eye on it. Nothing yet. All pretty dead. Oh, there's a bit of absorption there from the seller. Okay, I've jumped in for a quick buy. I'll have my finger on the flatten because I saw a bit of absorption, but nothing major. Here.
When you say you see an absorption, where did you see that? Like, what do you mean?
That was on the footprint.
Oh, okay.
I'm still seeing it happen. I may jump in again. Yeah, okay, I'll jump in again. I think that was just a little bit of a sneaky stop hunt there. All right, I'm back in. But I'm also very cautious at this because there are quite a few sellers area that currently are. And I want to see those, you know, we take the money.
Those people who are watching, they're lucky today. They just got 2 great trades. Here we go.
buyers, come in. Come on, buyers. Here we go. There we go. Back up to the top. 100 contracts. 50. Not bad. Still quite low volume. Oh, big absorption. All right, I'm out. Didn't like it. Big sellers absorbed right at the top here. All right. Well, now I don't really know what could happen, to be honest. I played both those areas. I feel like in between these two areas for a bit. Lay out. I'm gonna get my hands a bit. And I am gonna log in
kind of looks
to my YouTube channel.
Very same.
And... Sorry, what was that?
I said my US 30 looks very similar with the NQ right now.
Yeah.
Very similar. I'm not sure if my internet is bad or something, but I hear you very interrupted.
Oh, that might be on my end. Give me 2 seconds while I close a few things because I have a lot open. That's, to be honest, quite unnecessary. I don't need all this stuff open.
Okay, if everybody's watching, what are you guys trading? What are you guys doing? How was your weekend?
Let us know.
What are you guys watching to trade this week? Let us know.
Go. Okay, I've logged in. So to everyone watching, we obviously we're moving everything over to a fresh channel just to consolidate all of our content and everything, because we had multiple channels and it got a bit confusing for people, as you can imagine. So
you're gonna drop the link in the chat.
Link to the new channel. Yeah, the issue is I'm trying to get into my YouTube account where I can actually do this. Okay, gotcha. All right. Switch account. Apologies to everyone. I should have probably done this before. So all these two-factor authentication things, you gotta do like a million different codes and whatnot. So I've logged in with account before, so here you go. Perfect.
Yeah, you guys have the link in the chat. I see it.
Perfect. In here. Awesome. So yeah, to all the viewers, as I mentioned, we have Ola Prime TV, our old channel. We're moving everything over to a channel that's officially called Ola Prime Official. Okay. I will get you the link. I'll post it in the Ola Prime TV chat for anyone who's not on it. And yeah, we can
like and subscribe.
That link. That is it. Like and subscribe. There's a brand new channel. It'd be awesome if you guys could you know, jump in and start using the new just because because eventually we are going to cease going live on Prime TV. Okay, so I'll drop it. Link to new channel stream. Boom. There we go. Awesome. So hopefully, everyone watching, I see we've got 10 people watching, 12 people watching on Ola Prime TV. If you are watching on Ola Prime TV, the channel with 40,000 subscribers, check in the chat. We've dropped the link to our new channel because soon we'll cease to be streaming from the channel. Okay. So the new channel's Ola Prime Official, the actual handle name, but on YouTube it's just called Ola Prime. It's got 90 something subscribers. Head over to that channel. The exact same at the moment, but like I said, in a few days' time, we will only be streaming on that channel. So, well worth getting used to, you know, subscribing, turn on channel notifications, all that good stuff on the new channel. So that'll be awesome to everyone watching. I'll keep putting a bunch of reminders as well in the chat for everyone. But yeah, Adelina, anything you're seeing on the Dow?
Right now, I see we are in a range. I have two areas on my chart that I'm waiting for the price to come to. If you want to change to my screen.
Sure.
Yeah, let me know when you guys change so I can show what I'm watching.
Oh yeah, it's already.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I have two areas here. You can see the price went up and aggressively went down. So this is my supply, the purple, and here is my demand. So I'm waiting for the price to get here and reject in order for me to take a position. Right now it's just ranging in this area. I could be adventurous and wait for the price to touch here and maybe take a buy to here and the reverse. But I let you with adventure, Sam. You are the adventurous. For now, I'm waiting
I don't know
to come
about
to my areas. I'm waiting.
You're the one who jumped out of a plane. That's far more adventurous than me.
Adventurous when it comes to money.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So everyone watching, just got word in my ear. So if you're watching on the channel Ola Prime TV, that's Ola Prime TV. It's got 40,000 subscribers. If you're watching on that channel, okay, move over to the new stream. As in 5 minutes time, we will be closing that stream. Okay, so the new stream, there's a link to it. I'll drop another link again. I've just sent another link. It's also pinned as well, the link at the top in the chat. Go ahead, move over to the new stream, all right? Because in 5 minutes time, that current stream will be cut, okay? And then we can get back to trading properly. So yeah, I see there's 13 people still on Ola Prime TV on the channel. Hopefully you guys heard me. Move over to the new channel, to the new stream, and yeah, that's where you can catch us. So awesome.
Okay, right. So I am now on S&P. I saw here an M right? But the
Oh, yeah.
rejection I see didn't want to break it. Let's wait. If it does break again, this, I'll probably go in a short. It's a clear M, but let's hope it's not a fake M. That's what I see on S&P. I put some alarms so you guys know for US 30 when the price gets to the area that I'm watching, guys, you're gonna hear an alarm. So I'll make sure I don't miss the move.
Awesome. Nick Hill Bits 25 says, okay, so we leave this one and join the new one every day, correct? Yes, Nick Hill, that is exactly it. The channel Ola Prime TV that you're currently on, that will cease to be going live. We're moving all content, everything over, all live streams, all future content, videos, shorts, etc., over to our new channel, where the link is in the chat. Make sure you subscribe, turn on channel notifications so you never miss it. Ola Prime TV, that channel, will stop operating in the next few days, and in about 5 minutes time this actual stream on Ola Prime TV channel will stop. So make sure, if you want to keep watching, make sure you go to the new channel. Okay, I can see viewers are slowly starting to move over, which is awesome. And Nikhil's back in. Yep, he's in the correct channel. Good to see you, Nikhil. He's found his way. Awesome, good stuff. So yeah, hopefully all viewers can find their way to the new channel. Because it's brand new, searching for it sometimes can be a bit difficult. So make sure the easiest way is just to click the link in the chat. But yeah, once you're subscribed, once you know, got notifications, you'll never have to find it again. It will just be there, which is awesome. So what can you do? Yep. X Andre Fritz says, can I ask why you guys are moving to a new channel? So we had multiple channels and it was getting all a bit confusing. People weren't, you know, we were all kind of, everything was getting a bit confused, and also there were a few technical issues as well with the old channel. So we decided, you know what, make it all in one place. Because Ola Prime TV is a streaming platform. It's still relatively new, so better do it now than, you know, years down the line where we realize actually we could have shot ourselves in the foot. So we're doing it properly from the get-go. So yeah, and this will be the last, you know, there won't be a change after that. This is like cemented. This is the new channel. It will be that channel for years and years to come. All right. Chris is back in the chat. Chris, long time. Says it's because Sam has international warrants. That's exactly it. Yeah. The Interpol are looking for me, and they were like, "Oh, look, he's on Ola Prime TV." So I had to switch to a new channel. Ouch.
They're gonna find you here too, Sam. We can't hide.
Yeah, I know. I can't hide. We were getting too popular, so it is what it is. Yeah.
What are you guys trading right now?
Excuse
Sam
me.
stole a camel.
I wish I stole a camel. You know, I had an opportunity.
Where were you? In Egypt?
In Egypt, yeah. I had an opportunity to ride a camel.
And
I've ridden a camel before, and the main reason I didn't like it, it hurt. Let's just put it that way. I'm sure every man in the chat can understand what I'm hinting at. Yeah, it was a bit painful. So I chose not to ride the camel.
and it's also you are afraid of height. Is it not pretty high?
It is pretty high. Yeah. I would have definitely fallen off the camel. I have no balance. I can barely sit up straight in this chair. So there will come a time I'll fall off this chair at some point. So
yeah, I never been to Egypt, but it's definitely on my bucket list.
oh, definitely, yeah. No, it's a
Yeah.
great place. Really, really great holiday. Highly recommend it.
Did you go like overnight with a tent, and were they out in the
No.
desert or?
No, but